Afghanistan is a brotherly neighboring country, and we have a long history with that country. But right now, what we are seeing is with the Taliban dispensation since August 2021, that the poverty graph is going up. The Taliban rule is synonymous with poverty. And right now with Pakistan, the relationship are on the freeze. And it has caused a lot of problems, not only to the Afghan nationals, but the trade between the two countries have almost drastically gone down, which is not good. It should be, in fact, it should have grown further, and it was growing till October last year. Now the situation is that for Pakistan, the major source of concern is TTP's presence in Afghanistan. They are taking shelter there, close to 6,000 TTP cadres. And they are there with their weaponry, and latest weaponry, in fact, left by the Americans in Afghanistan. How they have laid their hands to that weapon systems is a source of concern, and I think the Afghan Taliban are equally responsible for providing those weapons to TTP people. And then another problem which Pakistan faces at the hands of Afghan Taliban officials is that when Pakistan demands action against the TTP, they are dilly-dallying. For instance, Pakistan's demand that these TTP cadres be unarmed. That step is not taken. Secondly, the TTP leadership resides in Afghanistan, but no action is taken to tell the TTP leadership to keep their mouth shut. That's the problem. And then if the Afghan Taliban authorities cannot take action, so they should hand them over to us. And again, that is the Afghan authorities don't accept that. So in a way, we are faced with a stalemate situation. How it will be resolved, it's only a matter when the Afghan mindset, the Taliban mindset, would see the reason and they take practical measures. And that lie in a way, a sense of good neighborliness, which at the moment is missing. Hopefully, good sense would prevail, and Taliban authorities would take action, so that the trade between the two countries, people-to-people contacts, visas, medical visas, could be resumed. But that is in Afghan Taliban authorities' hands. They have to choose between Pakistan or the TTP. Both can't go together.